with the wind. They leave without sound, clad in the black of the night, never found. No mercy, no banner, no prayers to the sky, just steel in their hands and fire in their eyes. They were cast from the world, but not from each other, sworn not by oath, but bound as brothers. Brotherhood of the birds, ride in the storm, born in the shadows, beyond every norm. They take what they want, they fear no sword, their only law is their word. Brotherhood of the birds, wild and free, a bond that no death can unsee. No crown, no creed, just brotherhood. In the dark they understood. In the dark they understood. No priest will bless them, no song will praise. They live in the wild, in the fire, in the haze. But where they ride, no chains remain, only silence and blood in the rain. Brotherhood of the birds, riding the storm, born in the shadows, beyond every norm. They take what they want, they fear no sword, their only law is their word. Brotherhood of the birds, wild and free, a bond that no death can unsee. No crown, no creed, just brotherhood. In the dark they understood. Brotherhood of the birds, riding the storm, not born for peace, not made to conform. They kill, they fall, they rise again. A brotherhood without end.